There's nothing like the feeling of a spotless home, but with everyday life, suddenly there's dirty spots and stains everywhere. You rub and scrub, but just spread the mess around. Carpet cleaners could be big, bulky and hard to move and store, and hiring professional cleaners could be expensive. Well, here's a fast and easy way to blast stains away. Presenting Spot Blast, the amazing portable, powerful spot and stain remover with 3-in-1 cleaning, scrubbing and vacuuming action that eliminates stubborn stains fast, rejuvenating and restoring your carpets, rugs and fabrics so they look good as new. The Spot Blast's secret is its 3-in-1 extreme cleaning action. Just add detergent, then spray, brush and watch as the powerful vacuum creates a cleaning vortex that lifts and removes spots and stains from deep down beneath the surface, leaving nothing behind but a beautiful spotless clean. Spot Blast is so portable and lightweight you can take it anywhere, yet powerful enough to take on even the toughest stains whenever and wherever they happen. Just add your favorite detergent and use it to blast away messy pet spots, remove stuck-on dry food, make quick work of kids' spills, refresh mattresses and eliminate bed stains, renew pet beds so they look and smell fresh, restore kids' jeans and get rid of dirt and grass stains, bring back the original color of your favorite rugs, get rid of that unsightly eyesore on your sofa, even take it outside and detail your car seats and floor mats. Spot Blast takes care of the stains you can see and the ones you can't. Look closer, this carpet looks clean, but under an ultraviolet light you can see the dirt and grime left behind. With just one pass, Spot Blast sprays, scrubs and lifts all that dirt and debris in seconds for a thorough, deep clean that's safe for kids and pets. You get 650 watts of pure suction power in one compact cleaning machine. That's nearly twice the power of some other portable spot removers and strong enough to suck up over a litre of water in less than 5 seconds. And Spot Blast is compact enough to keep under the sink, in your cleaning closet, the trunk of your car. You get the power you want and the portability you need all in one compact cleaning machine. Order yours today.